We all saw the hype around OpenClaw, right? Everybody is scrambling to set up servers, configure gateways, and fight their terminal. Also that they can have an AI agent that can run your computer and take commands from your phone. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, just made all of that irrelevant. They launched Claude Dispatch, and it does everything that OpenClaw does natively with zero setup, and a single person using this can now do the work that used to take an entire team. Lead generation, inbox management, content creation, competitor research, all of this running from your phone while you're at the gym or while you're out grabbing a coffee. And in today's video, I'll break down exactly how to set this up and also the real workflows that I've tested for the past 2 days. But before we get into it, if you want my exact skills and workflows that I use with Dispatch, I have a free school community where I drop everything. The link is down in the description, but right now, let's head over to the PC. Okay, wait, before we head over to the PC, what actually is Claude Dispatch and why should you care? You probably heard of Claude Cowork, right? It's basically an AI agent that lives on your computer. It can read your files, connect to your apps, do your research, build spreadsheets, go through your emails. It can even control your browser. The problem was that you always had to be sitting at your computer for it to work. The second you walked away, what happened? Well, it stopped. Dispatch, on the other hand, it fixes that completely. So kind of think of it like this. Think of your phone as your remote control. You press a button, your computer does the work, you send a task from anywhere, and your computer executes it. And you can just come back to finished results. That's the idea. And it sounds pretty simple, but the implications are pretty massive. And look, if you've been using OpenClaw for this kind of thing, I get it. I was too. I was burning through API credits every single day. One bad session later and you're looking at about $100 to $200 bill. And the context issues, don't even get me started on that. Claude Dispatch runs on any Claude Pro or Max subscription. No API keys, no terminal, no headaches. For 90% of people, this is just the better option. Okay, let's get you set up because this is genuinely one of the easiest things that you can possibly do today. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open up Claude Desktop app and you are going to check for updates. You need the latest version for Dispatch to even show up. Now, if you don't have Claude Desktop yet, just go over to claude.com/download and grab it. And now the same thing goes for your phone. You are going to update the Claude mobile app, or you can even download it fresh if you want. Once you are updated, open Claude Desktop and then switch over to the Cowork section. Now on the left side panel, you are going to see a dispatch button. And now you're going to click on that and then you'll land on a screen that walks you through the setup. And here's what you want to toggle on. First, give Claude access to your files. Second, turn on Keep Computer Awake. This is extremely important because if your computer goes to sleep, then Dispatch stops working. And then third, you are going to allow your browser actions. And this is where the real power comes from. And we'll get into all of that in just a second. And also, make sure that all your connectors are turned on so that Claude can access your apps. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click Finish Setup, okay? Now what you're going to do is you are going to grab your phone, okay? And then you're going to open up the Claude app and then you're going to tap on Dispatch, okay? Then you're going to hit pair with desktop and then it connects automatically as long as both of the apps are open and signed into the same account. And once you're done with that, that's it. You are now connected. This whole thing takes about 60 seconds, okay? Now, one important thing that I need to mention, your computer needs to stay on, okay? I know I've said it before, but it's so important. It needs to be awake for this to work. If you want to run this 24/7, consider getting a dedicated machine, an old laptop plugged in, a Mac Mini, anything that can just sit there and run everything in the background. Every single skill that you've built inside Cowork carries over to Dispatch automatically. That means if you've already set up a lead scraper, a content formatter, an inbox cleaner, anything, you don't have to rebuild it. You just trigger it from your phone with one message. Okay, so now here's where most people go wrong. They set up Dispatch, they send it a couple of questions, and they think that's it. Well, that's not it. That's like buying a Ferrari and only using it to go to the grocery store. You can see how confusing that would be. Now let me show you the workflow that actually moves the needle. This one sounds simple, but it's incredibly useful, okay? So let's say you are out of office, okay? And you need a document that's sitting on your desktop. Now, instead of rushing back to the office or asking someone to send it to you, just open your phone and then you're gonna type in, find the contact in my documents folder and send it to me. Claude then goes to your computer, finds the file, and it brings it back to you right there in the chat. And it's basically done. The key tip here is to label your folders correctly. Claude needs direction. So if your folder is called stuff or miscellaneous, then it's going to struggle. Name your folders properly and be specific in your prompts about exactly where to look. Now, before we get into the next workflow, there's one visual AI tool that I've been using that I just have to tell you about, and that is called Higgsfield. If you make any kind of content, YouTube, shorts, ads, social clips, this thing is literally a cheat code. Higgsfield has now introduced Cinema Studio 2.0, and it's completely on a different level. It's basically a full AI film studio that you get a director panel with 6 professional camera bodies, 11 real optical lenses, and over 15 director-style camera movements. You're not just typing a prompt and hoping for the best. You're actually choosing your lens, setting your focal length, and stacking camera movements the same way a real director would on set, except there's no crew, there's no rental fees, and there's no physical limits. And it runs all the top models in just one place. That is Sawyer, VO, Kling, including exclusive early access to Kling 3.0. You don't need 5 different paid tools if you have Higgsfield. The link for Higgsfield is down in the description below. Go and try out Cinema Studio 2.0 yourself. But now, let's get back to the features. This one I run every single day before I even get out of bed. I've got Gmail, I've got Google Calendar, and Slack all connected through the connectors inside my Cowork. So, from my phone, what I do is I just type in one thing. I will say, run my morning brief. And then what comes back is, it's honestly wild. Claude pulls my unread emails, flags the ones that actually need a response. It checks my calendar for conflicts or back-to-backs that I need to know about, and it even scans my Slack for anything that I might have missed overnight. It wraps it all up and sends me a breakdown. Now that basically replaces the first 30 minutes of my day. I used to start every morning opening up 5 different apps, trying to figure out what matters. Now I simply just read one message and I know exactly where my head needs to be. Inside Cowork, you've got access to over 38 built-in connectors, and all of those connectors work through Dispatch. So here's what that looks like in practice, okay? You are heading into a client meeting, and you need to get up to speed pretty fast. Now, from your phone, you can simply just send a message. You'll say, search my Slack messages and my emails from the last 48 hours that mention the client name, pull any relevant files from Google Drive, and draft me a 1-page briefing doc. Then Claude researches into 3 different apps. It pulls the relevant information, it synthesizes it, and it sends you back a clean briefing document, all from one message on your phone while you are in an Uber or grabbing a coffee. You see, the key here is that you are not just searching one app at a time. You are telling Claude to pull from multiple sources and combine them into a single output. That's the difference between using Dispatch as your search bar and using it as an actual operator. Now, this is something that separates the top 1% from everyone else, and this is why I told you to turn on those browser actions during the setup. Because Claude doesn't just have access to your files, it has access to your entire browser. Anything you would normally do sitting at your computer, Claude can now do it for you while you are somewhere else. Want to do competitive research? Prompt on your phone to go to YouTube and to find the top performing videos in the AI tools niche, and it gives you a complete result. Claude opens your browser, it goes to YouTube, it scrapes the data, and it saves it all for you. This is the workflow that blew my mind when I first used it, because it's not just AI answering questions anymore. It's AI taking real actions in the real world on your behalf. Now here's another one. This one alone saves me at least 2 hours per day. From your phone, send this message. Go through all of my emails from today and draft a response for each one. Don't send anything, just draft. Claude then goes through your email inbox, it reads every email, it writes a draft response for each one based on context and your previous writing style. And then you just review it and you hit send on the ones that you are happy with. You go from spending 2 hours on emails to spending maybe about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I have to be straight with you about this because I think it's important to know what this tool can't do yet. Your computer has to be awake and Cowork has to be open. If your laptop goes to sleep, Dispatch then stops. That's the biggest limitation right now and why I recommended a dedicated always-on machine if you want to use this seriously. Right now, it's one continuous conversation thread. You can't run multiple parallel conversations or even manage separate threads. Everything lives in one single chat. There are no notifications when a task finishes, so you do have to check back in manually to see if Claude is done with the task. And it doesn't work with scheduled tasks yet. Scheduled tasks are managed separately inside Cowork. In terms of availability, right now, it's on the max plan at about $100 a month, but they are running it out to the Pro plan at about $20 a month very soon. So if you are on the Pro, then just be aware that it is coming your way. Here's what I really want you to understand though. This isn't just a cool productivity trick. I genuinely didn't think one person could operate at this level without a team. Dispatch changed that for me. A traditional agency charges about $4,000 to $5,000 a month to do the kind of work that Claude Dispatch can execute in the background for me. Content creation, lead generation, research, inbox management, competitor analysis. It basically does all of it. The people who figure this out now are going to have an insane advantage over the competition. One person, one subscription, and the kind of output that used to require an entire floor full of people. That's not hype. That's what's already happening. So build your skills right now, set up your workflow right now, because the window where this is still a competitive advantage, it's closing really fast. Now, if you want our exact skills and workflows, the lead scraper, the morning brief, the inbox cleaner, all of it is inside our free school community. The link is down in the description below. Give this video a like, comment down below if there's a tool we should be checking out, and also check out the video that's popping up on the screen right now. And I will catch you on the next one.